Very good morning to all. I am Professor Arvind Pandey. Uh, we have in high voltage lab. So today we will perform dielectric strength of insulating material, solid insulating material. This one is a solid material. Uh, it's one a plastic material. What's that? So this one is high voltage tester kit. In this kit, we perform dielectric strength of solid insulating material. This kit having specification input supply having 230 volt 50 hertz AC supply, single phase AC supply. Secondary output having 0 to 30 kV voltage. This kit having this one is a solid insulating material. In this material, this side rod side, it's having two rod. First rod electrode, and second one is this one is plate electrode. This is secondary side. Primary side having high voltage side, and this one is porcelain material. Is connection is connected to rod electrode, and this one is secondary low voltage side. It is connected to plate electrode. This kit having two measuring device. One is AC charging voltage, and second one is AC leakage current. In AC voltage it's having 0 to 30 kV volt, and this leakage current having rating is 0 to 30 milliampere. This kit also having one variable dimmer stack. This is for input side from 0 to 270 volt. We vary this dimmer stack from gradually increase the voltage, input voltage. It's having mains. This one red is indicate there is two red buttons. Mains off. This one is ST on. This one is mains on, and this one is ST off. This is unit ready symbol. Here one emergency button. This one is bypass for relay. This timer bypass button, and this is current limit rating. One position is 50 milliampere and second one is 30 milliampere. So we've set it in 50 milliampere. This one is memory button. If breakdown occurs, then suddenly voltage is drop to zero. Then at that time we do not measure the high voltage. That's why we need memory button. So if we push this memory button, then it show the actual breakdown voltage. Pause. In this one is a circuit diagram for experimental kit. It's having single phase 230 volt 50 hertz AC supply. This AC supply is connected to primary side of this transformer. It's having 230 volt 100 kV transformer. In this circuit, primary is connected to single phase supply and secondary is connected to experimental kit. Here two electrode is used. One is rod electrode and another one is plate electrode. Okay, this one is experimental setup, and this rod electrode and plate electrode combination is shown here. This rod electrical having 30 mm diameter, 30 mm length, and width of this plate electrode is 1.5 mm. In observation table, we take in first column materials. We use here different type of material, solid material, paper, epoxy, acrylic, Hilum. And in reading, first column we consider thickness of that material, it is in mm. Then breakdown voltage occurred at the time of experiment. Then and last column is indicate breakdown strength of that material. It is in kV per mm. This one is plastic paper insulating material having thickness is 0.25 mm. So we insert this plastic material in this experimental kit. Okay, so we place this plastic material in this two rod, between these two rod, and place it in center. So we place this white paper insulating material in between this rod electrode and plate electrode, and after that we close it. Then we start here supply MCB. Then we switch on supply. Here our unit is ready. Means is first our unit is ready. Check unit is ready. If this indication is not glow, then our unit is not ready in position. Okay, so first we start mains. Then this yellow color indicate unit is ready for the experiment. Then after that we start EST on. We start EST on and gradually increase supply voltage here. It shows this is do not apply input voltage very fastly because it does not show insulating property. We gradually increase supply voltage at the rate of 2 kV per second. Here breakdown occur in this material. Okay, so to check the breakdown occur for this paper insulating material, we press the memory button and it shows 11 kV reading. It shows this breakdown occur at 11 kV.